So, dito guys, habang naghihintay kami na matapos ang isa, nanonood kami dito sa TV screen ng mga ganap doon sa chapel. So, binindisyonan na ng family ni Rene ang kanyang labi. Nakikita natin guys, ang mga fans ay magsagang naghintay at sabi na masilayan si Rene. Batang-bata pa talaga si Rene at biglang nawala. Ito naman guys, yung kuya niya at nagbahagi din siya ng mga alaala niya kay Rene. Siya nabubuhay. At yan naman ang kanyang teacher. So sabi ng teacher na every time na may game sila Rene, sinasabihan daw niya na ipanalo nyo ang laro. At ang sagot naman ni Rene ay matik. Tapos na ang ginanap na Mass of Hope and Sending Forth the Legacy Keepsake and Blessing for Mr. Rene Paterbonia. So, unti-unti lang nagsisalabasan ang mga umattend ng Mass. So, yung mga nakatambay dito ng mga fans guys ay maya-maya ay papasok na at papayagan ng silipin siya ang labi. Magkakaroon na ng mass viewing para sa mga labi ni Mr. Rene Paterbonia. Ayan. So, may mga tao dito sa labas na nag-antay. Meron pa doon sa labas na lang guys. Hindi pa...
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. And damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, the things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place, see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. See you again. You've come a long way, and a long way from where we began. No story, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. I'll tell you when I see you again. But you